This week for week 8, actually, we're going to be doing some stuff for week 7 this week since we were not here last week. What I'd like you to do is you can look in this photo adjustment in-class assignment. It gives you some examples of different ways you can manipulate photos, like creating an avatar skin effect, changing blue sky to scary, removing a blemish, and it gives you a step-by-step how to do that. And here's some photo manipulation examples from prior semesters you can look at, before and after pictures. Like for instance, here I'll bring up this one here, a before photo, and here is an after photo being restored. And so that's what you're going to do this week, is restore a photo of your choosing, of a family member, friend, relative, any photo you can find that needs restored. And you're going to go into this assignment number 7, photo adjustment. And you're going to use an image that needs manipulation. A digital or a hard copy scanned image will work. And you can scan images at Walmart or any Walgreens to get a digital image of that if you don't have a scanner at home. And you can manipulate it like blemishes, restoration like the ones I showed you earlier. Make any necessary adjustments to remove blemishes or restore old photos. And I reference here the class exercise link from the one we just looked at, the in-class exercise links. You'll submit a before and after image. You'll upload to your photo site, and let's go ahead and upload it into week 8 set, before and after. And what I will do is when everyone has submitted those between now and next Tuesday, I will put them out there on our own Restore Photos for Spring 2013, and we'll look at those next week. It would be good to look at the examples from last semester, before and after, to determine what other classes have done, and give you an idea of what it is you can do. I'll click another one here before I end the podcast. Here is one here, a before, I believe. Oh, that's a before here. This is a before. Notice all the lines in the picture. They have a whole bunch of lines in the picture. If I go back, they're all gone. And this type of effect basically is going to be using a clone stamp tool in Photoshop or in Pixlr. Pixlr has a clone stamp tool as well. And just a reminder, as far as examples go, in week 7, photo adjustment in-class lab, each one of these would give you ideas of how to correct such things as blemishes, changing skin color, and so when you click on each one of these, they give you examples of that. And also Pixlr tutorials. Here's some Pixlr tutorials that is of interest to you, on doing everything you could think of with Pixlr, from using the clone stamp tool like for this week. It's a little video tutorial that will help you on that. So, in fact, they've got 2 of them here, clone stamp tool tutorials. Definitely recommend doing that. So again, restoring a photo. The photo could be an old photo you're going to restore to look newer. Maybe taking the lines out of it, the cracked lines of a photo. Could be a blemishes on a photo, taking those out. But just have fun with it, play around with it. You can use Pixlr.com. There's examples here in week 7 for Pixlr tutorials for you. And then once you're finished, you'll submit them to your photo site in week 7. And that's it. And hopefully I will see everybody next Tuesday.